Scene. A father and his son are sitting at the dining table after dinner with the son's English workbook open. All right, Sam, let's talk about some prepositions today. On, at, and in. These are tricky but important in English. Yeah, Dad, I always mix them up. When do I use which one? First, let's start with on. We use on to talk about surfaces or when something is physically on top of something. For example, the book is on the table. Okay, so if I say, my toys are on the floor, that's correct? Exactly. On is also used for specific days or dates, like I was born on Monday, or on January 15th. Oh, so I can say, we're going to the park on Saturday, right? Spot on, Sam. Now let's move to at. At is used when we're talking about specific points or precise locations. For example, I am at the bus stop. So if I say, we had lunch at the cafe, is that correct? Perfect. You can also use at for times like at 5 p.m. or at noon. Son. Oh, I see, like I'll meet you at 3 p.m. Exactly. Now in. We use in when talking about something enclosed or inside a space. For example, the milk is in the fridge. Oh, like I'm in my room playing video games? Yes, that's right. In is also used for larger time periods like months, years, centuries, or parts of the day. For instance, I was born in April or in 1990. Son. Oh, so I can say we'll visit Grandma in the summer, right? Yes, that's a great example. Let me summarize. Use on for surfaces, days, or dates. Use at for specific locations or precise times. Use in for enclosed spaces or longer time periods. Got it. But what about phrases like on the bus or in the car? Those confuse me. Ah, good question. On the bus is used because we think of buses as public spaces where you're on board. But in the car works because a car is a smaller enclosed space. Oh, that makes sense. What about at school and in school? At school refers to the location, like you're physically there. In school means you're a student and part of the education system. Wow, that's detailed. I'll try to remember all this. You'll get the hang of it with practice. Use these prepositions in sentences every day, and soon it'll come naturally. Thanks, Dad. English is a bit tricky, but you make it easy to understand. Father. Anytime, son. Just keep practicing and you'll master it in no time.